So we have discussed till fifth step, start of meiosis. Now sixth step is cortical reaction. Or formation of fertilization membrane. So in this step, first we take diagram of egg. ठीक है, this is vitelline membrane. Now what happened? And this is cytoplasm, exoplasm, which is dense. And this is ooplasm. Okay, now what happened? In egg cortex region, cortical granules are appear. क्या आ जाता है? Cortical granules. These are cortical granules. Okay. Now what happened when cortical granules appear? This portion vitelline membrane shift upwards. ये जो vitelline membrane दिख रहा है, ये अपवर्ड की तरफ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. जब ये अपवर्ड की तरफ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा तो पेरीविटेलाइन स्पेस अपीयर हो जाएगा. सो लेट्स ड्रॉ डायग्राम. Now it will, perivital membrane will move upwards and this will be a vitelline, perivitelline space. And cortical granules will come here. It is cortical granule vitamin, and this portion is known as fertilization membrane. This is fertilization membrane, and the remaining structure will be as it is same. Okay, now again I am going to repeat. विटेलाइन मेम्ब्रेन क्या हो जाएगा? ऊपर की तरफ चला जाएगा और यहाँ पे पेरीविटेलाइन स्पेस आ जाएगा और कॉर्टिकल ग्रैन्यूल्स यहाँ पे अटैच हो जाएगा. कॉर्टिकल ग्रैन्यूल्स विटेलाइन मेम्ब्रेन में अटैच हो जाएगा. तो बेसिकली फर्टिलाइजेशन मेम्ब्रेन होता है क्या है? cortical granules attached to inner surface of vitelline membrane. ठीक है, तो ये विटेलाइन मेम्ब्रेन को बहुत ही हार्ड कर देता है और कोई भी जो स्पर्म होता है फिर वो एंट्री नहीं कर पाता है, ठीक है। इट हार्डन जोना पेलिस्यूडा। Okay, and it sure block of polyembryo. Hardened zona pellucida and block of polyembryony. Now next is fusion of gametic nucleus. The last step is now in this case what happened? This is egg, this is sperm, okay. And this is animal pole. Animal pole, that pole from where sperm enter. Now what happened? The sperm nucleus will come, and this is egg nucleus. And this is now these two will combine and it will form a synkaryon. Synkaryon. And this whole structure is known as zygote, ठीक है. This is animal pole. Animal pole from where the sperm enter. It is egg nucleus and his sperm nucleus. They both combine form synkaryon, and this structure is known as zygote. So what do you mean by copulation path? Copulation path followed by nucleus of sperm. And what is the significance of copulation path? It decides the axis of cleavage of zygote. zygote होता है, zygote का cleavage होता है, तो कौन decide करता है? Copulation path. Axis of cleavage of zygote, okay. एंड वन मोर थिंग, सेंट्रियोल जो होता है स्पर्म का वो इनिशिएट करता है फर्स्ट जाइगोटिक डिवीजन. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. centriole of sperm initiate first zygotic division. So this is the complete topic on fertilization. Next we will discuss significance.